What's up guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best mobility scooters that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Vive 4-wheel mobility scooter redefines mobility by offering not just a mode of transport, but a liberating experience. Crafted to empower individuals with enhanced mobility, this scooter is equipped with revolutionary anti-flat tires that effortlessly conquer any terrain, whether you're navigating indoor spaces or exploring the great outdoors. Its specially engineered anti-slip wheels provide stability on ramps, ensuring your safety throughout your journeys. What truly distinguishes this scooter are its user-friendly features. The intuitive speed knob puts you in control, allowing you to cruise at up to 3.7 miles per hour, enabling you to keep pace with pedestrians or take the lead. The built-in horn ensures your presence is known, enhancing safety in any environment. A highlight of this scooter is its advanced battery technology. A single charge offers an impressive range of 12.4 miles, equivalent to approximately 218 football fields, providing the freedom to roam far and wide. Additionally, the scooter's high-intensity LED headlights illuminate your path, ensuring your safety during nighttime travels. Comfort is a priority, and the Vive 4-wheel mobility scooter excels in this regard. It features a height-adjustable padded swivel seat, complete with cushioned arm pads and a supportive backrest, ensuring a comfortable ride. The swivel feature facilitates easy boarding and disembarking. Furthermore, the scooter comes with a removable storage basket, allowing you to carry your essentials or souvenirs from your adventures. Designed for utmost convenience, this scooter is TSA approved, enabling you to take it wherever your heart desires. When disassembled, it fits seamlessly into any trunk, with no piece weighing more than 29 pounds. With the Vive 4-wheel mobility scooter, your world expands exponentially, your independence reaches new heights, and your adventures are boundless, promising a life without limitations. The iLiving i3 mobility scooter stands out as the ultimate choice in mobility solutions, offering effortless travel experiences in a compact and lightweight design. Crafted to provide a fun and easy ride, this scooter is not only versatile but also incredibly stable. Built from heavy-duty aircraft-grade aluminum, the i3 is remarkably safe, weighing just 53 pounds yet supporting a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds. What sets the iLiving i3 apart is its remarkable features. Equipped with a toolless folding capability, it can be easily folded down for hassle-free transportation in and out of your car. The scooter's turning capacity is exceptional, even on rough terrain, thanks to its advanced steering system. The intuitive dashboard provides essential information, ensuring a smooth and informed ride. A standout feature is its lithium battery, providing powerful yet lightweight energy. With a spare battery compartment, you can double your travel distance, covering up to 14 miles on a single charge. Additionally, the i3 offers a range of practical amenities, including a storage compartment, a USB port for phone charging, and a cushioned seat for maximum comfort. iLiving i3 is designed and engineered in the US, undergoing rigorous factory testing for long-lasting durability. It enhances your quality of life, offering the freedom to explore diverse environments, from trains and planes to cars and cruises. With the i3, there are no limits. It's your ticket to an active and independent lifestyle, ready to accompany you wherever you dream of going, instantly transforming your daydreams into real-life adventures. The Journey So Light lightweight folding scooter is a game-changer in the world of mobility aids. Weighing a mere 40 pounds, 44.5 pounds with the battery, it stands out for its exceptional portability. Engineered with electronic stability control and anti-tipping wheels, it offers unparalleled stability, ensuring a safe ride even during turns. Its quick folding mechanism, a marvel of engineering, allows it to be folded and ready for transport in seconds, effortlessly fitting into the backseat or trunk of most vehicles. This scooter is not just lightweight, it's versatile. Approved for airline travel, it provides the freedom to explore the world. The rechargeable battery boasts an impressive lifespan, supporting long journeys with ease. With a robust weight capacity of up to 275 pounds, it caters to a wide range of users. Comfort takes center stage with its padded cushion seat, backrests, and armrests, ensuring a comfortable ride. Practicality meets innovation with storage solutions including 2 bags, a basket, and a mesh cup holder. Safety is paramount, with preset top speeds adjustable through an easy-to-use dial, guaranteeing extended and secure rides. Designed for utmost convenience, the scooter features a 2-touch fold mechanism. By simply pushing a knob, the seat folds down, and by unscrewing another knob on the tiller, the scooter folds completely. To top it off, the Lite scooter comes with a 1-year limited warranty, covering both frame and mechanical components, providing users with peace of mind and a reliable solution for their mobility needs. The Green Power Unique 500 mobility scooter effortlessly combines timeless style with cutting-edge performance, making a bold statement with its vintage design and classic paint job. This self-balancing 3-wheel scooter offers unparalleled stability, making it not only stylish but also exceptionally safe and user-friendly. Its innovative design ensures easy maneuverability, allowing anyone to use it comfortably. Safety is a top priority with the Unique 500 model. It features a built-in security system and a key fob for convenient arming and disarming. The scooter is equipped with rear-view mirrors and a dual hand braking system, enhancing control and security for the rider. The full lighting system, including retro-style headlights, tail lights, and indicators, guarantees visibility, ensuring safety during day and night rides. Powered by a potent 60-volt motor, the Unique 500 conquers steep hills effortlessly and offers an impressive range of up to 45 miles on a single charge. Its smart LED display provides essential information to the rider, while the padded seat and locking under-seat storage compartment add convenience and practicality to everyday outings. This model not only offers superior performance, but also comes with free accessories and the opportunity for upgrades, making it customizable to individual preferences. Comfortable, reliable, and undeniably stylish, the Green Power Unique 500 mobility scooter provides a complete package for riders seeking a safe, efficient, and aesthetically pleasing mobility solution for their everyday adventures. Introducing the Falcon F4 Ultra Light Mobility Scooter, a revolutionary solution for those seeking unparalleled mobility and convenience. Weighing an astonishingly light 15.1 kilograms, 16.9 kilograms with the battery, this scooter offers unmatched portability without compromising on performance. Its key feature lies in its rapid folding mechanism, allowing a seamless transition between travel and storage within seconds. The scooter's effortless folding makes it a perfect companion for individuals on the go, fitting into tight spaces effortlessly. The battery, a vital component, can be swiftly detached, meeting airline regulations and making it suitable for carry-on baggage during air travel. Safety takes precedence with the Falcon F4. It is equipped with exceptional control and braking capabilities, ensuring your safety on various terrains. With innovative brake levers that enable complete braking on slopes, you can confidently navigate inclines. Additionally, the scooter offers a manual pushing mode, allowing you to take charge in any situation. In essence, the Falcon F4 Ultralight Mobility Scooter redefines mobility by combining unprecedented lightweight design with effortless folding, making it the ideal choice for individuals seeking freedom, flexibility, and utmost safety in their everyday journeys.